All right, probably your first slightly more difficult one here. We've got a basically right isosceles rectangular prism, not triangular prism, because we've got it kind of stood up like this, and our triangles are actually isosceles because we've got 10 and 10. I don't know how good my drawing is, but the book says 10 by 10, but then we also have a right angle here. So let's break this down. Let's get the triangle parts taken care of first. We've got base 10 here, so that would be 10. 10 by 10 would be 100, divided by 2 is going to be 50. Okay, triangles you have to divide by 2 on. I'm not using the 14 in that process because that doesn't make any kind of a right angle. I've got to do 10 times 10 divided by 2, which would be 50, which would make this 50. Now, 2 of these rectangles are going to be the same also. I'll just take this most visible one on the front here. 10, 15. 10 times 15 is 150. If I take this one off to the side here, I've got 10 going up and down here, I've got 10 here on the bottom of it. Man, I can't draw this worth a let's see here. I gotta get this right here. I got 10 here, and then this part right here is going to be the 15 part. Okay, so 10 by 15 is going to be another 150. Sorry about that. And then I don't know how good my picture shows it, but if you look on there, really the rectangular side you can't see, that's not visible, that's on the opposite, is a lot bigger than the other two. And it's actually going to be 14 by 15. 14 by 15. So our 14 by 15 one, which is a little bit bigger, is going to be 210. Now I just need to add all my surfaces together. I've got 300, 400, 610 right here. So my surface area is 610 millimeters squared. Now I just need the volume. And the volume is just going to be the area of the base times how many of those we need, or how many it is high, how many pieces of those we have. So my triangle base, we already decided, is 50. Base times height divided by 2. 10 times 10 divided by 2 is 50. I would have 15 50s going up and down. Okay, and 15 50s is going to be 750 for our volume, which means that I can fit, and this is supposed to be millimeters, but I can fit 750 of those tiny. It'd be even tinier than the cubes we used in class today, because those were centimeters cubed. Millimeters cubed would be really tiny, but it would mean we could fit 750 of those millimeter cubes inside of this shape.